So hi, this is our assignment 2 proposal for the unit SIG 313. So our unit proposal name is My Adventure Log. For this assignment, me and Aditya Singh Kushwa, bearing SID 217227082, have decided to team up for this project. And the key responsibilities of each member is that I am the configuration manager, and the key responsibility for Aditya Singh Kushwa will be the developer. Moving on to the app. So the platform that we will be using is Xamarin, and description of the app. My Adventure Log is a Xamarin application which aims to keep track of the activities for the people who love traveling and also love to share their experience with the world. In addition, with the log, they can also share their log with their friends and the loved ones through the sharing feature that is enabled on the app. So the application mainly aims to record the experience of the travelers by providing them an application where the travelers can maintain and store a log and their memories. Moving on to the major features of the app. The major features of the app, so there are total 5 features of the app, that is adventure log, add photos or videos to the log, location services, share option, and search the log. Adventure log, this application will contain 3 different sections: experience section, tips to travel, and warnings for the travel. Under the experience section, the user can indicate how their overall experience of the place went, whether the place is good or bad. Tips that if the traveler wants to convey some messages or give some advice and suggestion to the prospective travelers, and warning about what they did not find good and bad. Add photos to the vlog. It is often boring when we completely write everything, so that is why, in order to save memories and in order to make the log more interesting, we have added a feature in our app that is called as add photos or videos. The add photos or videos can be taken to the camera itself, or they can also be extracted from the gallery. Location services. Application will have a feature to save the current location of the user while making an entry to a log. An image from the map of the user's current place will be placed along with the brief description of the place, describing by when the user clicks on the map image, the map image will open, and the location in the default map, that is inside the user phone, it will open. User can see this map attached under the location section while scrolling through their logs. Share option, it is an option when the user writes his log, they can share it using social media platforms with their near and dear ones or their loved ones, or even to the travelers whom they are connected with. And search the log, it is completely tiresome and it consumes a lot of time when we have 50 logs and we want to go to a one particular log. So hence this app will also contain a feature of search, that the user can just type in the title of the log they want to search for and immediately go on that log. So now the UI and UX design. This would be the front page. The front page, when the user has not entered any log in that, so it will contain a button that is at a place, and when the user clicks the button, the log entry page will appear. Here is the log entry page that will contain title, images for the users to add, his experience, tips, warnings, and location to use the current location and to store the location of where he is about. After saving, this is how the home screen will look like with logs. There would be a title, the description of the place, small description, and an image. This is the list that we are planning to develop. When the user clicks on the image, this screen will pop up with the title and image and all the log that the user has stored, and then there would be an option to share if the user wants to share an option. The whole the whole app will be properly navigated between the different UI screens. And this is the Trello board. We have divided week 6 and week 7 applications equally. So week 6 we want to develop the database and the major UI to store it on the mobile device itself, and then week 7 we will be progressing to more advanced features like location and getting access from the cameras and everything. So thank you. I suppose you liked our proposal. Thank you so much.